You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense. Till FLEXVOLT, a new line of DeWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that can rip through materials you commonly use. Along with the features you expect from DeWALT, like an accurate rack and pinion fence with a full 24-inch rip capacity. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DeWALT 20-volt max tools. All part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created. FLEXVOLT, power of corded, freedom of cordless, built, guaranteed tough by DeWALT.